Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, we're going to talk about the difference between equal operators, one with the double equal signs and the second one is with the three equal signs. Alright, so what is exactly the difference between them? Okay, so we have the two variables, the val1 and the val2, and we're going to use both of these operators on both of these variables. So I'm going to console log val1. So let me just run this. The first one will come up as a true and the second one is come up as a false, because equal operator with the two equal signs only checks the value, but the equal operator with the three equal signs, it does not only check the value, it checks the value and also type of the data. Okay, so let's just try the different values now. 1 but in a string. Let's just console log this, and the first one will come up true because it only checks the value, so the value is the same, and the second one checks the value and as well as the data type, so it comes up as a false. Okay, same goes for null, undefined. Run it and you can see the difference. Alright, so this is the difference between both of these equal operators in the JavaScript, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.